It's still 31st December. Nice thing about that good automotive paint in the spray can, it dries fast. So, this trim piece on the truck. Inside of the truck, all reassembled. No extra parts, no broken tabs. Something to think about if you're doing this work. Get you some of these super strong magnets. Put on your socket. Everybody says if those nuts that hold the trim piece on that you have to take off, if they fall down inside that door cavity, you're never going to get them out. And it's a special kind of nut. It has a formed washer on one side and also needs a rubber seal on the inside of the cab. The foam seals that come with the trim pieces go on the outside. It helps seal the holes up. But yeah, it's done. On this side, I gotta do the same thing over there. That side uses the paint from the auto parts store. I'm already on my third coat. Trying to get it to look decent. Got a little bit of a run, but that's all right. I finally got good coverage almost. I can still see that damn yellow mark from the paint pen. I might be sanding this thing down and trying again. That's irritating. But I gotta let it dry first before I can do that. So that's the worst thing that happens to me. That's okay. But anyway, got the one side done. As long as you don't lose your nuts. I put this at about a 3 out of a 10 difficulty. And you will have to paint the new ones. They're going to come in black just like mine did, because they go on all different color Fords. So, but I think it looks good. Anyway, that's all for this one. That might be the last one for this year. Thank you.